Hi everybody, I hope you like this video. We're going to try to make some donut holes, some frosted donut holes using this pancake mix right here. So we're going to get started. We have 2 cups of the pancake mix, and now I'm going to put 2 vanilla yogurts and stir it up. There it is, everybody. Now we're going to mix it up, and we might have to add a little water if it's too thick. I'm going to add half a cup of water, and I'll leave another half to mix in if it's still too dry. Okay, so this is just perfect. I did not need the other half cup of water. I used 2 cups of flour, 2 small yogurt cups. You can change any flavor you want. And half a cup of water. Uh-oh, did you hear somebody burp? Flora, did you make a burp? Are you hungry? I didn't have a big Ziploc bag. I just had these little sandwich bags. And so I was able to fill up 3 sandwich bags. And I'm going to cut the corner. And I will be using scissors to chop up little pieces to make donut holes. And the hot oil right there. Now I'm gonna have my daughter record me.
I am not.
Recording that.
I'm recording what you're cutting.
Be careful, one of the oil splatters up on you. They fry up so fast.
Wow, looks like donut holes.
Yeah. They're frying up quick.
It looks like raw.
Oh, a little stuck.
It looks like eggs.
Little eggs?
Yeah, little round eggs. Coffee eggs.
Some of them are sticking to the bottom. Are you recording it?
Yes. Should we take it out?
Wait, don't do that thing because that makes you able to see. Get closer to the bottom. Ah, look at, be careful. That oil will burn you. Are you scared to get close to the pan? You want me to show it?
No, I just zoomed in.
You zoomed in. Okay, so I will make these other 2 bags and then we'll make the frosting. We have the donuts and they're done. It's better to make these on the extra small side because if you make them big round balls, they might get all brown, but then when you cut them in half, it still has raw batter in the middle. So now let's work on our glaze. We'll let these ones dry. And for the glaze, I have 1 cup of powdered sugar. And here's half a cup of milk. I'm going to stir in more if I need it. I don't want to put too much quite yet. And now, before I turn on the heat, I'm going to mix this up. I'll mix this up first, and then we're going to add a little bit of heat over low to thicken up this glaze. For all of these donuts, I think I better make a bit more of the glaze because I don't want to run out. So I will add another cup of this powdered sugar. And I'll add half a cup of the milk. So I only put it halfway. Okay, now I will stir this up again. You never want to get in the middle of glazing some donuts and then you have to go back to make glaze all over again. It's just something that you want to do all at once. Or else you'll just probably give up and just eat the rest of them plain. I'm going to put my heat over medium. And I'll just constantly stir this. Okay, so my glaze looks a bit watery, so I'm going to add about half a cup more of some powdered sugar. I'll stir it in. Now I need to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And 2 teaspoons of vanilla because I made double the recipe. And my glaze still looks a little too watery. See that? Does this glaze look a little too watery? It's time to add a little bit more of the sugar. Okay, so we stir this in, and now I can feel it's actually getting thicker. Now it's time to start rolling the donuts and giving them a little coating of glaze. I put my wire rack here with a pan on the bottom to collect any of the glaze drippings. Okay, it's time to try the my little glazed donut holes. It's really good. It's amazing. They're really great. You guys should try these. Is it great? Yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good for not being at a donut shop, right? Okay, go ahead, Helena. Look at. Go ahead, Here comes Helena.
Which one can I grab?
Any one you want. It's like Krispy Kreme donuts. See how some of them fell through the bottom? Or too small? Oh, she's just going for a double. Too small. You have to get another one. Is it good, Helena? Everybody's quiet because you're eating donuts. Uh-oh. Is that good? Thanks for watching, and now I'm going to go make some more because we have all this leftover glaze and we just can't throw it away. Let's make more donuts. No. Now we're making blueberry donut holes because we ran out of vanilla yogurt.
No.
So here's the blueberry donuts. They are frying up right now. So good. It smells like blueberry muffins baking right now. Okay, so we have more donuts, more glaze. Look, they're very fluffy inside. They're not cakey.